Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. And today we're going to show off the Toyota ChargePoint charger. This is a 240 volt, 50 amp charger, indoor, outdoor. It comes with a nice little swivel head right here. Of course, it's being a Toyota genuine part. It's going to have the connector for a Toyota plug-in hybrid vehicle. If you have a Tesla or another charger, they'll usually come with a little dongle adapter that you can click right on here and plug it directly into your car. There are two versions of this available. They're the same price. This is the 3-prong 240 volt version of it. And then there's also a 4-prong version of it, which we have one of these right over here. They look identical on the outside. The only difference is going to be the actual plug is going to be a 4-prong versus a 3-prong. So these are available on parts.edmartintoyota.com, and you can buy them today. We do keep them in stock, and I'll link to both in the comments below.